Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome. Some of you might know, some of you might not, but Mama is having a meet and greet here in London on the 16th of April, which just happens to be my birthday. I am so excited to meet you guys. We are almost sold out. Yes, I'm so excited. I can't believe it. Oh my God. You guys are coming. You really are coming. And it is in collaboration with the fabulous OPV Beauty brand. My discount code is Fumi for all of the products out there. You're going to live and love it. We're going to have birthday cake, of course. It's a Sunday. You're going to have food, drinks, champagne. You're going to have a sister to sister where we sit down and we talk. Yes, my darlings. And we're going to have step and repeat, lots of pictures, as well as a fabulous goodie bag. I'm making it fabulous for you guys. You deserve it and more. For all of the love and support that you've given me over the years, yes ma'am, you deserve it. And I want us to really spend some quality time together on the 16th of April. The link is below. Go ahead, get your tickets, and I can't wait to see you. So let us get to the episode at hand. You guys know Porsche, right? Porsche, the car. Well, we have the 79-year-old Porsche billionaire divorcing his 74-year-old wife over her dementia-like illness and allegedly moves in with a 59-year-old female friend of 25 years. So if she's 59, that means that they kind of hooked up when she was 34 and he was 54. Yeah. It's sad. It is really sad. Sad for him, sad for the wife, sad for the girlfriend. It's a sad situation. From just this, it tells me that everybody has been lying down on a bed of lies for about 25 years. For about 25 years. I know my husband. I know him inside and out. And I would like to believe humbly that over time, maybe not initially, you have no clue, that you can tell if your husband is having an affair. You see, if he's sleeping around, it's damaging, but it's not as threatening to your marriage if he's having an affair. Because he has shifted everything from you to her. He sees the other woman that he's having an affair with as his soulmate, as his go-to for everything. It's unfortunate that she has dementia because as far as he's concerned, she really is not even here anymore. She doesn't even know I'm here. That's how he sees it. And I don't know if they've got children. Again, you know, he's 79, she's 74. These are their golden years. I believe that they could easily have an extra 20 years because we're living in our 90s now. And they might have had children. And she got ill. And she would have thought that her husband would be by her side. I am praying and hoping that her children are by her side. His is karma. You do not do that to somebody who has lived with you for the greater part of your life, through thick and thin. And then you just dump them like that and think that the world will give you all of this positive energy and affirmations where you can go ahead and skip and stay with this woman, other woman who is 59, who you've known for 25 years. I'm under the impression that the girlfriend, the female friend, has been single all these years. But she's been a kept woman. She has been well taken care of. They've had an affair. This affair did not start today. No. Just a move in like that. But as far as he's concerned, the wife is damn near dead. She doesn't even know that I'm here. And with a clear conscience, he thinks, I can go ahead and move in move in with my female friend. This reminds me very much of, what is her name? I did an episode early in my early years in YouTube. It was one of my first kind of sister to sisters that I spoke about. It was lifestyle guru B. Smith. Her husband moved in his girlfriend. She died eventually, but it was so shocking because while this one, billionaire, has moved out of his family home and moved in with his female friend, the betrayal is without words. It really is without words. Because, you know, you have those marriage vows, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health. And it is evident, absolutely not in sickness. And it's sad. I remember one time when Ula wasn't well, I bathed him. I took care of him myself. I let the doctors, you know, administer whatever medication that he needed. But I was with him. I would be with him for the rest of my days. And he me. And Ula's parents were together till the very end. My parents have been together going 56 years. It's a lifetime. So the betrayal hits different when you're in your 70s and you've lived your whole life with this person. Because I tell you, and this is what I've come to understand in marriage. You see, when you see people that have been married for 30 years, 40 years, and we applaud them, we don't applaud them for the good times in the marriage. We applaud them for the bad times in the marriage, for the difficult challenges in the marriage. And the two of them showed up every day and walked through that fire together. That one did not give up on the other. That one at some point in time would have said, I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be here anymore. I want to be with somebody else. I'm not happy with our situation. I'm not happy with finances. I'm not happy living here. I'm not happy with this. One of us has said that upon a time. But you keep pushing through. You keep to your vows. And you provide a solid foundation for your family, extended family, children, children's children. You become a wife, you become a mom, you become a grandmother. You have this tree that the two of you created. And you're the matriarch and the patriarch of that family. That is salute. That is what this disgraceful human being did not do. It is an absolute shame on him. I can't afford a Porsche, but I won't buy. I won't support him. I support sisterhood and I support womanhood because being a woman is tough. I've said it so many times. The expectations are high and it's a lot. And this woman is sick and her husband has turned on her and gone and become bold and courageous to say, I gotta go. No, I can't do it no more. I gotta go. That has to hurt. And I hope that the children have lawyers in place and they have everything in place to make sure that their mother is taken care of. And whatever else you want to do, you do. Because this is the ultimate level of betrayal. He's a disgrace. He is a disgrace. For the female friend, you're still relatively young. We all pray for good health. We really do. I do. Long life. Don't make the end of your life painful. Don't do that. Don't curse upon yourself. Oh, well, you know, he wanted to. No, you assisted to it. Why? Because you are allowing him to come to you. You don't have a girl code. Well, she's almost dead, so he can come here. And, you know, let's really be honest, you've been sleeping with him on the side. Or at least cuddling him, because he's old now. He's 70 what? He's 74. So you're cuddling him, you're starting massaging him, swimming, floating, while his wife was sick, is sick. You have to have a conscience. You're allowing him to move in with you, or you're moving in together. You see, men only do what we allow. I keep on saying it. He never married you, but he just might at this stage. Who's to say? When she passes on, we don't know how terrible the illness is. It's just sad. It's shameful. Don't you have any shame? Don't you feel any shame? Don't you feel any shame? And if this was you, I think that's what we don't think of. All of these women that have affairs, you do not think of yourself in those shoes. It couldn't be you. You're better, you're shinier, you're younger. You know, she did this, she sucked him dry, she did all of these things. That's one-sided. Those are the lies or the edited version that he has told you. You didn't hear it from the horse's mouth. You didn't hear it from her mouth. You didn't hear the sacrifices that she made in this marriage. You didn't hear any of that. You only heard it from him because you only wanted to hear it from him. Because you had to hear it in such a way that it would make you feel good, your conscience, that what you're doing is right. No, it's not. Shame on you. That's all I can say. Guys, you let me know what you think in the comments. And it's always a wake-up call to know that you have to prepare yourself. You have to prepare for the later days. Ula and I have life insurances. Yes, we do, because we don't know who will go first. These are difficult conversations you have to have. They have to be put in place because we don't know how we're going to check out. We really don't. I'm 54. In a matter of what, 3-4 weeks, three and change, you know, and I need to be prepped and prepared because we don't want to be taken by surprise. I pray God that she's got children or that she can be put in a very good home, and that's what I really want to do. Let's talk about it a little bit. I want to give everything away. After I've taken care of Adrian, you understand me, Ula and I want to go and be in an old people's home. We don't need property anymore. We don't, because Adrian would have been raised. Pray God he'll have his own family. We won't need the big house and all of that. We sell everything and give out to philanthropy. I want to do philanthropy, so it will always be fertility, cancer research, orphans, Africa, 100%, to battered women, single women. I want to give it all away. And I don't mind living in an old people's home, rocking on a bench, outside, with the flowers. And I don't mind going away like that. I really don't. I don't need anything. I came in this world naked. I came in this world with nothing. I go back with just experiences and say, wow, what a ride. That's how I want to go. It's sad because I think because the wife has dementia, we know that this is how she's going to go. What a shame. What a shame that she couldn't have been treated with dignity at the most important stage of her life, after giving this goat everything that she had. Let me know in the comments. I live for you. It's sad.